we are going to see the types of ovule. So ovule is the megasporangium, that is a megaspore containing structure in the gynoecium. Gynoecium is placed innermost fourth hole, essential hole consists of the pistil or carpel. This carpel consists ovary stigma, and in the ovary the ovules are located. The ovule on the basis of the funicle, chalaza, micropyle, they are categorized into main four groups. First group is the arthrotrophs. Arthro means straight. Tropos means ovule. Straight ovule. Here, this is the funicle. On this funicle, that is the integuments. Two integuments arise. Then it consists of nucleus. In the nucleus, it consists of 8-celled structure, that is the embryo sac. This one funicle. This one base of the where the integuments arise, known as the chalaza, and upper portion they have the micropyle. Funicle, chalaza, and micropyle when lies in a straight line. This type of the ovule is known as arthrotrophus ovule. Arthrotrophus ovule, it is the characteristics of the family Polygoniaceae. Cyperaceae, and all gymnosperms. Gymnosperms, Githum, Pinus, Cycas, Cyperaceae, Cyperus, Polygoniaceae, Polygonum. Second one, that is the Anatrophus. Here in the Anatrophus, this is the funicle. This is the chalaza, and this is the micropyle. That is the from this chalaza, two integuments, that is the arises, and then centrally embryo nucleus is present. It consists the towards the micropyle synergies, one larger one. Towards the chalaza end, they are the three cells antipodals. In the center, two secondary polar nucleus. Hence, in the Anatrophus ovule, here the micropyle is not in a straight one. It is the inverted, means bent, and the micropyle lies towards the closer to this funicle. Such type of this ovule is known as the Anatrophus. It is also known as the inverted type of the ovule. Inverted type of the ovule, that is the Anatrophus. Here, it is a characteristics of the angiospermic plant. Means 80% of the angiospermic plant belongs to Anatropous oogle. Example, hibiscus, sunflower, rose, gram, bean, etc. Means 80% flowering plants, that's the Anatropous oogle. Third one, that is Amphitrophus. This Amphitrophus, it is also known as a transverse oogle. Here Amphitrophus oogle, it is the funicle. And the chalaza and the micropyle, they are transversely placed at right angles to the funicle. This one is the chalaza, this one micropyle, and this one is funicle. Means to the funicle, chalaza and micropyle at right angles, 90 angles placed. This is known as a transverse oogle, or it is known as a Amphitrophus oogle. It is found in Archimon. This Archimon mexicana, yellow datura. Also it is in Lema. It is commonly found. Last one, that is the fourth one, Campylotropus. Campylotropus. It is somewhat modified to the transverse oogle. That is a Amphitrophus, that is known as a Campylotropus. Here funicle, and on the funicle the chalaza and micropyle lies, but somewhat a curved one, not actually in 90 angles, but they are transversely centrally placed. That is embryo sac. Here this one is a micropyle, this one chalaza, and this one funicle. Means similar to this Amphitrophus, Campylotropus is found, but they are somewhat curved. That is known as Campylotropus. It is present in mustard, Brassica gentiaceae, Mohori, Mirabilis, Jalapa, Gulbox. Here we have seen the type of wood. Here I will conclude the topic, that is the flower is a modified shoot meant for reproduction, developed on the condensed terminal or axillary branches. It consists the essential holes as well as the accessory holes. They are situated on this thalamus. It consists, that is the 4 holes spirally arranged on the thalamus. The first hole, that is known as the calyx, and this calyx outermost layer, accessory hole, carries out function photosynthesis, protects the flower in bud conditions. On the second hole, it consists the larger floral leaves. They are known as corolla. Corolla larger sized. It is consists the scent of essential oils, varied color, and due to which it attracts the insect for pollination. Calyx and corolla, these are the two floral leaves are the accessory holes. They do not directly take part in this reproduction. Third position, it consists the male reproductive organ that is known as the androecium. Androecium is the third one. It is the essential whole male reproductive organ. Androecium consists the stamens. Stamens consist the filament, connective, anthers. Two anthers are present. They are bag-like. Each anther consists the bilobed, bithicular, and the anthers consist the microsporangium, and in the microsporangium, microspores are produced. After fertilization, pollination and fertilization, pollination, it converts, that is the pollen grains, into the two male gametes. And centrally placed, that is the female reproductive organ, that is known as the gynoecium. This gynoecium, female reproductive organ, centrally placed in a innermost layer. Fourth essential hole consists, that is a megasporangium, megaspore containing structures, that is the gynoecium. Gynoecium individual member known as the pistil or carpel. It consists the carpel, that is ovary, style, stigma, ovary basal swollen portion containing the ovules. After fertilization, the ovary consists ovary wall into the pericarp of the fruit, and ovules which are located inner side, the ovules are converted into the seed. Styles, slender stalk meant for the rays for the pollination, and stigma becomes moisture, produces moisture, becomes sticky substances, forming a mucilage mold. It receives the pollen grains. Pollen grains, germination takes place here, and pollen tube migrates towards the gynoecium containing embryo sac, and pollination and fertilization takes place. Here, that is one main topic, that is the flower from this polyembryony of the angiosperm we have completed.